Hi, Eugenia here, and welcome to my review of Turbo GIF Animator product. So what is Turbo GIF Animator all about? So this is actually really neat software that will allow you to create different GIF images, and it will be you will be able to capture attention of your audience much better. And in my opinion, it's actually good for marketing agencies. It's one of the tools that will allow you to capture attention of your audience, of your customers, of your prospects much better than just some conversation or just some image, just some video, because it's gonna video is gonna take some time to watch. Conversation is gonna take some time to listen. But with GIFs, actually, it's really interesting. You can explain a situation, and it's actually gonna make it a little bit funny, because normally GIFs make things funny, and it's gonna help you explain what you're trying to explain to your customer, and it's gonna capture their attention much faster than other means of communication. So if this is something that you're interested in, please continue watching. I'll also show you the demo video of the product, and you will be able to see for yourself what it's actually doing and if you're interested in it. But before we actually do that, let me quickly show you the bonuses that you're going to be receiving from me if you decide to purchase the product using the link below the video. So the first bonus is going to be online money making toolkit. So this is just one hack for you on how people are making money online, and I think it's going to be really useful to you. Bonus number 2 is going to be $100 per day from your phone. It's also a little hack for you how people are making money online even not using their laptops. Bonus number 3 is going to be Buyers List Ninja. So this is going to help to explain to you how you're actually building, how to build a buyer's list, and so that then you can promote different products to these buyers as well. And bonus number 4 is going to be Software Business in a Box. This is also just a little hack for you, explaining how people also creating these software businesses online and how you can do it as well. And bonus number 5 is going to be all vendor bonuses, and I will show it to you a little bit later which bonuses the vendor is going to be providing to you as well. So saying all this, let's actually go to the sales page of the product and see what it says. So this is how the sales page actually looks. It does say here that conveys reaction perfectly without saying much. Retain your audience attention 1000x with GIF animations. So it gives you like a good reasons here to consider using this in your marketing agency. It attracts customers and clients. It engages better with your audience. It grabs their attention and generate more conversions. So you can see here there's a little bit more information about the product as well. Some interesting information for you to go through. But we're not going to go through the sales page with you. You can just go through the sales page at your own time, read it if you're interested in it. To go to the sales page, you will need to click on the link below this video. It's going to take you to my bonus page. If you click on one of these red buttons, right here or here, it's going to take you to the sales page, and you will be able to study it at your own time. Right now, actually, let's go and take a look at the demo video for this product. The demo video is going to be from the vendor of the product itself. And then I will come back and explain to you a little bit about the pricing of the product and also the bonuses the vendor is going to be providing to you. hopefully you enjoyed the demo video of the product. Right now, actually, let me go and walk you through the bonuses that you're going to be receiving from the vendor. So it's actually going to be quite a few here. We're just going to scroll through them quickly. So it's going to be ebook maker software, then page takeover plugin. You can see here Engage Plus software, other WordPress plugins right here for you. So this is all of the bonuses that vendor is going to be providing to you if you decide to pick up the product using the link below this video in the description. Right now, let's go and take a look actually at the pricing for the products. So the front-end version of the product, the one that you saw in the demo, is going to be $47 one-time fee. And it's also, the product is gonna have 3 upsells, but these upsells are totally optional. You can decide to pick them up after you use the front-end version. If you like it, you may proceed with the upsells, but again, they're completely optional to you. So upsell number 1 is going to be $27, and it's going to be Turbo Ecom. And I'm going to show you a little later right now the sales page for these products upsells. So upsell number 2 is going to be $37. It's going to be resellers right, basically of the front end version of the product. And upsell number 3 is going to be $47, and it's going to be resellers right of the upsell number 1 right here. So actually right now, let's go and take a look. So this is the first upsell, Turbo Ecom. This is how it's gonna look like, and you can read here a little bit what it's all about. Then upsell number 2, this is resellers rights for Turbo GIF Animator. And upsell number 3 is going to be resellers rights for Turbo Ecom right here. But again, these upsells are optional. If you decided that you liked the product based on the demo video and my review, please go ahead and use the link below this video and go ahead and purchase it. In my opinion, the information presented on the sales page is actually presented really nicely, and you can rely on it. Also, in my opinion, that's a really nice tool, especially for internet marketing agencies or just marketing agencies, because it gives you just one more tool, to engage your audience, to offer to your clients, and maybe this is going to be something that interests them because, like I said before, it does give you a short explanation. You can create it using the video graphics, and it's a very interesting way of presenting the information. So I think that's it about this product. If you like the product, please use the link below the video to purchase it. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. If you liked my video, please give me a like. It really helps my channel. Otherwise, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next review.